Okay, so this is homework sheet 5, question 1, and we're given the equation of a line L where y equals 5 minus 2x. So 5 is where we go through the y-axis, and minus 2 is the gradient. We've got to show that the point P, which is at 3 minus 1, lies on L, and then find an equation of the perpendicular to L which passes through P, and then giving the answer in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, with a, b and c being integers. So, simple question. It's still always worthwhile starting with the diagram. So the equation is y equals 5 minus 2x. So we go through the y-axis at 5, we've got a gradient of minus 2, so the line is going down, and here's point P, which is the point 3 minus 1. Okay, now we need to show that P lies on the line, so we've got the x value of 3, and basically we're just going to substitute 3 into the equation. So for part A, we're going to put x equals 3, which means that y equals 5 rather. 5 minus 2 times 3, which equals minus 1, which is the same as a y value. Therefore, P lies on the line L, and this is obviously the line L. Okay, for part B, we've got to find the perpendicular going through P, and the perpendicular is going to be looking something like this. And the gradient of the perpendicular is the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the line. So the gradient of the perpendicular, say MP, is equal to 1 over 2. So we just use the usual methods now for finding the equation of the straight line. We can say that the gradient is a half, which is equal to any value of y minus y1 divided by any value of x on the line minus x1. So in this case we've got 1/2 is equal to y minus y1, which is the minus 1 from the P. So I've got minus 1 down there, divided by the x value, or any x on the line, minus the x value that we've got, which is 3. If we cross multiply, take the x minus 3 up onto the right hand side, so we've got x minus 3 is equal to 2 times y minus, and a minus gets me a plus, plus 1. Expand the brackets out. So we've got 2 times, expand the brackets out, we've got 2 times y plus 2, and then take everything onto the right hand side. So we end up with 2y, take the x across, minus x, take the minus 3 across to make plus 3, to get plus 5 equals 0. So the equation's now in the form that was required, with a, b and c being integers, a being 2, b being minus 1 and c being 3.